we are going to discuss the heads. Heads are nothing but the closures used for the cylindrical portion which is fabricated from the metal sheets. Now this is a metal sheet. This is bent and then it is welded vertically to form a cylindrical portion. This cylindrical portion that is to be closed at the top as well as at the bottom, right? So this is the closure. You are closing at the one end, you are closing at the another end, the top portion, the bottom portion of a vessel. Now we can have the vessels like this in the industries, and it is the household vessel which we can observe in our day-to-day life, right? This is closed at the bottom portion, however it is open at the one end. Now this can be closed by such flat plates, the simple flat plates that can be used to close these vessels. Not only such type of vessels, but we can also have the pressure cookers. Pressure cooker, they are also having this specific type of head. Then this is the flat head which we can observe it. However, at the bottom, there is a different structure which is provided. Now this is the curved head that is provided in the upper portion. Curvature that is provided. This is the flat one. However, it is having the ring at the outer portion. This is the flat one, but it is provided with a extra ring, and its bottom is something like this. The different structure at the bottom that is provided again. Then there is a slight curvature that is provided. Then there is a straight portion which is provided. At the bottom, the different type of a structure which is provided. Then these are the metal plates which are flat. Then they are having a slight curvature in this section. One curvature and then a flat portion that is there. A curvature instead of this, a curvature that is there. This is again a straight portion, a curvature, and a flat portion which is available. So we can see these different types which we are using in our day-to-day life. However, when we talk from the industrial point of view, we can have the different types of the heads. In this figure, we can see the different types. One is the simple curvature, that is the flat is provided. First type, that is this is the flat plate that is provided. Then it is provided with a certain curvature. Then gradually the curvature increases and finally reaches to a hemisphere. So it is the difference of how you are going to make a curvature in a dished head. So when you classify the heads, it is the flat plates, they are commonly used, and second is the formed heads. In the formed heads, you are having the standard shallow dished head, toruspherical head, elliptical head, hemispherical head, and the conical head. So these are the different types of the formed heads. The flat plate, that can be a simple flat plate that can be used. No such curvature, no such extra material. The flat plate that can be used, simple flat plates that can be used, and they can be simply put on the vessel. As we can see in this figure, here the vessel that is there, and to this open vessel, a simple flat plate which is closing the vessel. Simple flat plate, metal sheet of the that can be used to close this vessel. Now these flat plates are very simple in nature. They're simple covers. Then they are not welded. They can be bolted or they can be clamped. But when you think from the stresses point of view, the variation in the stresses that is observed in case of these flat plates. So variation is uneven. That means the point of junction that is the point of a junction. This is the point of a junction which we can see the shell and the head. At this, the stresses will be more because there is a sudden change, a vertical to a horizontal one, vertical to a horizontal one. So this is causing the stress concentration. Now to reduce this stress concentration, we are providing with a curvature like this. As the curvature is given, the stresses will be more uniformly distributed, and that is why this is going to reduce the stress concentration. Stress concentration that is occurring at the point of a junction, जहां पे कनेक्शन है वहां पे.